hindi na kumukuhan kasi oo, dati nararamdaman ko siya eh. Tsaka parang gumaang. Kasi dati parang mabigat.
Sinubuhan daw ba yan? May inangkas ka?
Ha? Ay hindi. Nung pag nilalagay ko siya sa kotse, siguro pag angat ng ganyan, bumigay.
Hindi naman namin sasabihin kay misis mo eh.
Ito maganda, may bike pack. Oh naman. Dapat sa akin kayo kakampi.
Kaya yata ayaw ka pag-bike ni misis mo eh.
Hindi nga gusto ganun, wala ako sa bahay eh.
Ha? Gusto?
Oh. Tesla.
Noisiest thing is in the school time.
It's a good thing they have this kind of defense.
Oh yeah.
Otherwise,
Man, your rack looks good.
Good, but what did you do?
oh, the
You used to bug me when I follow you. Ah, we need to fix it.
What did you do? Did it do one?
No, no, I just fixed
oh yeah,
it.
very different.
So I think Ron forgot to ask you guys if you wanted to work the bike park all the way.
Oh no, I told her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, hindi ba sa which one we want? But we'll see with Brother Alvin
Okay.
because I'm worried about him.
Yeah, depending on how long the ride is and how he feels.
Yeah.
I invited Ben again for my buddy Dan.
Oh, the guy who was telling me?
Yeah, but he said, texted me last night that he wasn't feeling up to a ride today.
Yeah. People getting sick right now.
Yeah.
Last night I saw Martha, this copy.
Tawag nila mommy bike.
Alam mo, pang deliver lang ng pantinan.
Binanong ko yung laser, binalik yung sa Pilipinas. Mga payat-payat. Yung manibela ng pampandikal din eh. Saka dyaryo. Kapalitan yung 100 baht. Ikaw, brother, nagbabay ka ba sa Pilipinas?
I think there's more bikers on this side, but you can ride both sides.
Oh, China. You are our tour guide today, brother.
Okay. Let me know when you're gonna go. Is there a deadline?
No. No deadline. It's all up to you, brother.
Okay.
And our
Just remember,
Brother
while we
Alvin.
ride out, we're gonna ride back.
for sure.
This part, there's no shortcuts. Behind us. Later in the day, the more people are out.
Yeah, especially the sun's getting more warmer.
So this is, you see that cliff right there? So on top, there's a big park, and then below it, where all the
Those
trees are.
with those trees right there.
Yeah, so there's a park back there, and then in front of the cliff here on the riverside, there's this kind of wilderness trail that we can ride our bikes on. So it's almost like it's like a flat mountain bike road. It's really fun.
We can do it on the way back.
If you like,
Father Fred,
I'm not sure how far.
I'm good.
It depends on how far everybody wants to go.
I think Davis will take Alvin all the way down to beach.
Okay, that works. If we go to the beach, there's a bench.
Oh yeah, so we can read the Bible look.
Yeah. Or if we go left, maybe 1 mile, there's a restroom and a park.
Oh, that's the one we want.
Okay.
The restroom.
There's also a restroom on the right, but it's a little bit further.
That's the. Okay. City of Newport Speed. Wow. So calm. It's relaxing. is riding a bike.
Nice. Everything okay?
Yeah.
On the dirt. It's not like those tires that I have on my purple bike. Purple bike the tires are smooth. So any off road is kind of smooth. Then I have one. It's 100% original. Like I haven't changed it at all. Yeah, but it's still got the little bars. I don't ride it as much. It's not comfortable. Yeah, it's the original 80s mountain bikes, but because it's in such good shape and it's all original, I don't wanna mess with it too much, Like this one was a wreck. When I got it, it was an absolute mess. So I went through most of the parts, redid the headset. I didn't do the bottom bracket because it seemed like it's okay, but I noticed the cord in my bottom bracket is loose. I'm going to pull the bottom bracket apart and then remove it, check the bearings and the cups. So I hope I don't need a new bottom bracket. But I noticed that I overhauled this bike once. Long time ago, there used to be hunting down there.
This one?
Not on this pond, but over there in Huntington Beach and in Newport.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Long before I was. Yeah.
But you grow up here, Luis, in this place?
No, I grew up in Redondo, and then we moved to Lakewood.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are they fishing or what?
Looks like it.
Yeah, they're fishing, huh? Can you swim on that?
I wouldn't.
In the Philippines, for sure the Filipino will swim there. As long as there's water, they don't care.
There's also less wind on this side because the hill, it blocks it a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's right.
On the other side, we'd be directly in the wind.
Good choice, brother. Kaya ba nila ituloy kayo? Sinusubukan niya kanya mountain bike. He's trying his mountain bike. That's how it works for his wheel.
Learning to mountain bike. Once you come here, right to the path, the park up top has BMX ramps. Go up to the We're riding on the side of the road.
Atas.